in has come with a cup of coffee. Yum yum. Oh, thank you, grazie. Thank you, nice coffee.
Right, so what have you been up to? I mean,
well, I just wanted
on yesterday.
Well, we dug the hole.
Who dug the hole? Who dug the hole?
I dug the hole.
Did the digger dig the hole?
Yeah, we finished the hole. I'll just go and show you quickly. Yeah. There's the hole. Well, it's more of a trench, isn't it? It's like a moat. There's the soil. So we've done most of the cleaning up. So I've got to put those pads in. A little bit more cleaning, a bit more sweeping, a bit of plastic and some stones on top. That should be good to go.
Well, let's see what Steve's up to. Oh my god, there's quite a mess, as in a lot of earth. But where's that earth actually come from? Let's take a look. Diggerman is at it, as you can see. And here we go. Oh my God. He's digging the trench. So this trench has all been dug out to prevent the water sort of clogging up around all this area that Steve was explaining to everybody. He's cleared all of this, and this is the trench that we are creating. It's quite something having a digger. Are you okay there, Steve?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell us anything?
Just trying to keep a reasonably straight line, same depth, more or less a foot. I mean, I think it's going to be a motor over the next 24 hours because it's going to rain.
Okay.
But I mean, at least it's getting there.
So you're hoping that when the rain drops from the scaffolding above, which is 3 stories high up there,
yeah,
it's going to
run down here,
run onto this section,
yeah,
where you're standing,
yeah,
and where I'm standing, and go into that trench.
Well, I haven't finished yet.
Oh, okay, so that's the first part.
The first part, really.
Where does it go after that?
Well, I'm going to see what happens because it's going to rain tomorrow. I'm going to see what happens to the rain. I'm going to see where it naturally sits, and then I'll be able to run the digger in there.
What, in the jungle?
Where it's there. I can just dig a slice that's lower than this. You know, a trench that's lower than this.
Okay.
That's all we can do, really. That'll do the job if I can get it done.
The soil actually looks nice, although obviously it's got a lot of stones in that end.
The one good thing is it's broken up all the roots that are going that way towards the house.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, you can see the roots.
I haven't got a bucket that's any less wide. I could do with something about that pipe, really, but
What, a little bit wider than what our bucket is?
a little bit thinner.
Oh,
They're a great little thing to put in pipes, cables, and all that sort of stuff in.
oh, a narrower thing. Okay.
Yeah, I might get one.
All right then. Thanks. I'll go back to what I'm doing.
Well, that about wraps it up for today. The next part will show the pads going underneath the scaffolding and the plastic going on the ground, and hopefully the stones going on top. That's all weather permitting. We've got some rain coming. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Lynn will answer everything that you send. If you're interested in what we're doing, if you'd like to subscribe, ding the bell, push the like button, we'd like that as well. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Right, stay here. Stay. Just wait here. Can you wait? We've been out. We've been out in the rain. I've just got dripped on there. But the good thing is, these drips are going in Steve's trench. His ditch, his trench. What he has been digging over the past couple of days. Button and I are doing the inspection of it, if you can see. Look at all that water there, Button. Normally the water would have built up against the stone of the farmhouse, and that's not good for the farmhouse, and Steve obviously needed to remedy the situation. So what he's done is, the ditch has been built, the water's in it. This isn't the final stage, folks, because I've been told the water's going to kind of go that way. So I think the digger will be coming out when it's a little bit drier, because it can't be at this moment in time with wet soil.